Listen and read carefully. Today is a new day. I wake up early in the morning. I feel calm and relaxed. I make a cup of coffee. The day is quiet and peaceful. I sit by the window. I think about my goals. I want to improve my English. Learning takes time and patience. I practice a little every day. I listen carefully. I repeat the words slowly. Sometimes I make mistakes. That is okay. Mistakes help me learn. I feel more confident now. I enjoy the learning process. I stay focused and motivated. I believe in myself. Tomorrow, I will practice again. Repeat this video to improve faster.